Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Today I am sharing some general information regarding post-installed anchors from Hilti. So first we download the anchor fastening guide from Hilti. To download the Hilti anchor catalog in Google, just write down Hilti USA. This is the first link of official website of Hilti USA will come. After that, click on this link. After clicking on it, the official web page of this Hilti will come. Here we have Product Solution Engineering Center, Support Download and Company. Click on the Engineering Center. After clicking on the Engineering Center, on the right side there is a option like Product Technical Guides. Click on the Product Technical Guides. After clicking on it, you will get the page like this. Here we have Volume 1 Direct Fastening, Volume 2 Anchor Fastening, Modular Support System, 5-stop support system guide. So we need to download the second one, Volume 2 Anchor Fastening. Here click on it, Anchor Fastening Guide. After clicking on it, the page will appear like this. This is the first page of that Anchor Fastening Guide. On the left corner there is one option of download. Click on it. After clicking on download, the file will be get saved to your system. On the content page of Hilti fastening guide, there is a first one is the introduction, then fastening technology, then there is a adhesive anchors. These are all adhesive anchors from the Hilti. Then on the next page of content in 3.3, these are all the mechanical anchors in 3.3 section. First, we understand what is cast in place anchors and what is post installed anchors. In previous videos, we learned about the anchor rods. Those anchor rods are placed in the wet concrete. Wet concrete means those anchors are embedded in the concrete before it cures. Post installed anchor are like these anchors are installed into hardened concrete or masonry by drilling hole in the base material and then placing the anchor into that hole. These post-installed anchors are of two types. First one is adhesive anchors and another one is a mechanical anchors. In adhesive anchor system, metal elements attached to concrete or masonry by bonding the thread rod or rebar into a drilled hole with a specialized chemical adhesive. And mechanical anchors are the fastening devices used to securely attach the objects to base material like concrete, masonry, or stone uh, by creating a mechanical interlock. Mechanical anchors achieve the holding power through expansion, wedging, and threading mechanisms. We will see some adhesive anchors and few mechanical anchors. We will take some short introduction. On this page, we have HIS threaded rod with HITRE 500 V3 adhesive. These threaded rods are having the fully threaded with washer and nut on the tightening side. Here they are mentioning some permissible concrete conditions, and this table is more important. Nominal rod diameters are given from 3 by 8 to the 1 1/4. Then, as a detailer, this diameter of fixture hole is more important to us. Here we have through set and preset two conditions. As for example, half-inch diameter threaded rod, half-inch diameter threaded rod. We have through set hole fixture hole 5 by 8 and preset as a 9 by 16. The difference between through set and preset is for through set, the thread rod is inserted through the fixture. Fixture may be equipment, base plate, angle, or any steel material. And preset condition is the rod will be pre-installed into the concrete before the fixture is attached. So, in through set condition, there is more erection tolerance. Here, just take a look of figure how this rod is exactly fixed, installed in the concrete. Here, this side of this concrete polygon, it looks like a box polygon, and this is a just considered as a plate for a moment, and this hole is a fixture hole. The length of thread rod will be calculated as from the just from the extreme end to extreme end will be the total length of the thread rod, and here from the start of the concrete portion, this is a HEF means it is a effective embedment. Based on the nominal rod diameter, they are noting the effective embedment values. Just for 5 by 8 rod diameter, it is a 3, 1 by 8 will be the effective embedment. On the next page, we have thread rods and deformer reinforcing bars with Hilti HY270 adhesive. Permissible base material is grout-filled concrete masonry. Just we discussed in the previous page, DF dimension, it is a fixture diameter of the fixture hole. Here in the table, for 3 by 8 rod diameter, fixture minimum fixture hole diameter will be 7 by 16, like that. For 3 by 4 they are mentioning 13 by 16 here. One more example with adhesive anchor. It is inserted into the rod is inserted into the hollow brick and hollow CMU condition shown on this page. So permissible base material is ungrouted concrete masonry and bricks with holes. Here they are noting the nominal rod diameters. Based on that, fixture hole diameters are here. Fixture hole diameter will be like this, DF, noting by the DF. HEF will be the embedment, effective embedment, noted for each rod diameter. The last example for adhesive rods is Hilti HIT Z anchor rods for Hilti HY200V3 anchoring system. Let's take a look of this rod, and here in the description it is a rod diameter, and in front of rod it is the available length based on the embedment. In next example, we will see few mechanical anchors. Here we have quick bolt TZ expansion anchor, which is available in carbon steel, stainless steel. In expansion anchors having the threaded portion with washer and nut, and on the embedded end, this portion will get expand while the tightening. In this table, there are nominal anchor diameter from quarter inch to 1 inch, and based on that, it is the minimum fixture hole diameter provided in the table for this expansion anchors. Here, let's take a look of this expansion anchor. It is installed in a pre-drilled holes. When we tight the nut, the expansion point on the anchor will start to expand, and it is becoming tighter and tighter against the solid substrate. This is a fixture. It may be a plate, angle, whatever the steel we are connecting to concrete. It is a nominal embedment. In below table, these are some loads. This table is important. Table 51. Uh, Here they are mentioning the minimum edge distance from wall. When we install this KB-TZ2 expansion anchor, the table based on the nominal anchor diameter, it is showing the minimum edge distance from the edge of wall, minimum spacing based on this figure 7 and figure number 8. On this page, it is anchors based on the diameters. Their length are mentioned here for quarter inch, half inch, 5 by 8, and the length of the anchor for 3 by 4 and 1 inch anchor. These are the carbon steel product portfolio. These are the SS304. It is a stainless steel. Table 53. The next mechanical anchor is HUSEZ screw anchor. These screw anchors are shown with hex head, countersunk head, and pan head style, which are can be used in a hollow core concrete, grout filled masonry concrete, and is un uncracked and cracked concrete. Here, just take a look of this figure. The HEF dimension is a effective embedment. Then DH, it is a fixture hole diameter here in this row. For 3 by 8 diameter, we need to put the half inch hole for 3 by 4. Sorry, 3 by 8 half inch fixture hole and 3 by 4 diameter bolt, 7 by 8 dia hole. To calculate the anchor length here, it is showing H nominal plus thickness of the fixture. So basically, uh, from bottom of head to the end of anchor, the length is calculated like that. In this video, I have covered only the few anchors just for example to shorten the video length. We can check the lengths of the Hilti anchors on online as in their official website also. Suppose just for the thread rod I want to check the available length, so I can just write the rod name in the Google, and this window will appear like this. For 3 by 4 dia thread rod, the available lengths are like this. If I click on this 3 by 4 dia, for 1 inch dia length, available lengths will appear here for thread rods. Another example for quickboard TZ2 wedge anchors. For quarter inch uh, dia wedge anchor, available lengths will be 2 by 2.5 for 1/2 like this. For 5 by 8 dia, available lengths will be 5.5, 6 inch, 7 inch. Just want to check for screw anchor. Then suppose for 3 by 8 dia HUS screw anchor, available lengths are 2 by 8, 3 inch, 4 inch. You can online check also just for quick reference. Thank you for watching this video. Please put your thoughts in comment section.